Hello, hi everyone. This is to review the Dr. Bhavdi Pausa's practice management course. So, why the practice management is needed? Most of our colleges teaches all the subjects, but we don't find our management classes in our colleges. So once we out of the college and we don't know how to manage the practices. Most of the time we manages the patient, we know the procedures, but to make the patient walk in, and once the patient is walking in, to manage and convert this walk-in patient to an profitable case, it's very important to learn the practice management. So it was almost 2 years now I attended Dr. Bhavdeep sir's class. My purpose was I am in the 13th year of practice now. When I attended a course, I was more than 10 years of private practice. But after 10 years also, I have a good OPD, but revenue are not increasing after some stage, or you can see it limited to some extent. And most of the time when the patient walk in, we are not able to justify the time and procedures. So my purpose was to attend the course to manage my practice. And why the management is needed? Once, I'm not talking about the course or what I learned from the course, but I want to talk about the why this course is helpful to us. So the course outline is, sir give a homework before the course, during the course, and after the course. So we have to complete some tasks, and after listening to his knowledge as a lecture and completing the task, we found out that our mindset improves to manage the patient. So if we are in a beginning stage, or we are in a mid stage, what I can say are 10 years of practice, or we are settled 20-25 years, all the stages of practice is need a management. And this course is 100% successful to make us learn how to manage the practice. Apart from the practice management, finances and medical legal aspects comes hand to hand. So sir gives lecture on all the three subjects and all the three courses, but this course are covering all the aspect association with the practice management, finances, and some medical legal part also. So this is very helpful, and I highly recommend this course to everyone who are in a private practice or who are planning to start a private practice. Thank you so much, sir, for improving our knowledge. I am looking forward for another courses. So please guide us. Thank you so much.